Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're having an amazing weekend. Today I'm going to share with you this somewhat hit/miss kind of a DIY. I am not really happy with the way it turned out to be, but that's the thing with DIYs, right? You cannot be 100% sure of what the end result would be till you actually get down to doing it. Sometimes you win and sometimes you learn. So this is one of my learning videos where I tried DIYing this Overstock inspired mirror decor by using some thin flat reed coil which is normally used for basket weaving, something that I got from a thrift store. But I was not really sure of what I wanted to do with it, so I decided to decorate this mirror out of it. So let's see how I did it. I am starting by wrapping a reed piece around the mirror, for which I am just going to measure, cut and use some all-purpose construction adhesive to stick it around this mirror. I think some hot glue can also do this job in case you don't have the construction adhesive. Next, I just worked around with the different arrangements, trying to get a somewhat similar design as my reference mirror, and then used some hot glue to stick these reed pieces to the mirror. To make the smaller pieces which are cutting across the bigger piece, I am going to measure the size that I want and decide how this piece will sit on the main reed. After that, I am making a cut on the smaller piece as well as on the main piece in such a way that I am removing a tiny bit of the reed from both the pieces so that they can fit into each other perfectly. And once I'm happy with the fitting of the two pieces, I'm using some podge to stick them together. I used podge because I didn't want my glue to be all lumpy and visible, so I decided to go with podge, which will dry transparent. Continue doing these steps till you feel you got enough pieces around the mirror. Please do not go overboard with the reed pieces, which I feel that I did. So yeah, just try to keep a balance between these pieces. Now you can totally leave it as it is in its natural color or just use some black latex paint to cover everything. I wanted something really thick to cover it, so I decided to go with latex paint. To cover the face of the mirror, I used some masking tape all around the mirror and painted it. And that's it. Though this was a quick and easy DIY, but as I said before, somehow this piece did not come out as I had imagined. Maybe I will give it another try, or maybe I will try some other shapes to see if I can redeem it. But nevertheless, this is how this particular mirror looked. Now the only reason why I'm sharing this with you all is because we expect all our DIYs to be this perfect and amazing piece, but I just wanted to show you that it's not always the case. Many times it doesn't turn out the way you want it to be, so the bottom line is that there will be a few misses too in your DIY journey, so try to redeem it if possible, and if not, then just roll with it and learn along the way. Hope this video can inspire you to try that DIY that you have been wanting to do for some time but haven't done it because of the fear of failing. But before that, let me know what you think of this particular mirror DIY. If you like this other aspect of the DIYing world, then hit the like button, share your views, hopefully positive ones, in the comment section below, and support my channel by hitting the subscribe button. And if you want to catch up with my videos, then don't forget to hit that bell icon to know when I post my future videos. Thank you so much for your time and support. I will talk to you soon with a new and hopefully a more successful DIY. Till then, please take care and stay safe.